Hey guys, Troy at National Transmission here, just showing you a quick video on us reaming servo bores on the 5R55W, S and N transmissions. These transmissions are in Ford Explorers, Ford Sport Tracks, and even some of the Mustangs use them. So the servo bores will actually wear, and if you look down the hole here, you can see a little step. So what we have is a tool kit that'll allow us to ream those bores out and install brass sleeves. With the reaming tools installed, this is going to allow us to ream the bores of the servo straight and true. So after reaming the first bore, the second bore is the same. In this step here, we are replacing the sleeve so that we could use the larger reamer, as it's a two-step process. So here we are lubricating the bore. Cutting oil is used to help the reaming process to ensure that the ream is nice and clean. So now that we're done reaming, we're going to remove our tools, put the case through the parts washer, and get it nice and clean. Here are the brass sleeves we're going to install. You have to line that hole with the feed hole, install it into the case, and then we'll have a quick look here. There it is installed with a virgin surface for the servo to ride on.